In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to control access to a file in Canva so you can decide who can view, edit, or share your design. Whether you're working on a team project, sending a design to a client, or just want to keep your files private, managing permissions properly is extremely important. The good news is, Canva makes this very simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through everything step by step. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Canva and navigate to the file that you want to manage. This can be any design, a presentation, social media post, document, or even a video project. Click on the design so it opens in the Canva editor. Once your file is open, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Share button. Go ahead and click on Share. This is where all the access and permission settings are controlled. After clicking Share, a sharing panel will appear. In this menu, you'll see options related to link settings or a section labeled People with Access. This area allows you to control exactly who can open your file and what they're allowed to do with it. Now let's go through the access options one by one so you understand what each one means. The first option is Only You. If you select Only You, that means the file remains completely private. No one else can open it, even if they somehow get the link. This is the best option if you're working on something confidential or you're not ready to share it yet. The second option is Specific People. This setting allows you to invite certain individuals by entering their email addresses. Only the people you add will be able to access the file. This is perfect for team collaborations, client reviews, or when you want controlled access without making the design public. When adding specific people, you can also choose their permission level. For example, whether they can edit the design, comment on it, or just view it. Make sure you select the correct permission depending on what you want them to do. The third option is Anyone with the link. If you choose this option, anyone who has the link can access the file. However, you can still control what they're allowed to do. You can set the link so people can only view, only comment, or fully edit the design. Be careful with this setting, especially if you choose full editing access, because the link could be forwarded to others. After choosing the access level that works best for your situation, double-check the permissions to make sure everything looks correct. Once you're satisfied, click Done or Send, depending on what appears on your screen. This applies the changes immediately. And that's it. You've successfully controlled access to your Canva file. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to review your file permissions regularly, especially for older projects. If you've shared a link publicly in the past, you might want to switch it back to Specific People or Only You to keep your design secure. Managing file access properly not only protects your work, but also keeps your collaborations organized and professional. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.